I grew up in Blacksburg, the same town that Virginia Tech is in, and so my next door neighbor had a professional cabinet shop. And so when I was a freshman in high school, just kind of as a summer job, I started, stripping furniture and doing, a lot of the grunt work things. And in my spare time, I'd start doing like personal projects for myself. And he's like, hey, you're pretty good at that. And so over the years, I kind of built my way up into where I was kind of running the shop and doing a lot of projects. And we did lots of things, from major projects for the university to lots of obviously custom kitchens and things like that. So that is definitely also a passion of mine, and I think a lot of the skills and the dexterity and everything that I learned just from being a professional fine woodworker and cabinet maker really has served me well as an orthopedic surgeon, because it's all the similar principles. It's just a slightly different type of material we're working with, obviously.